Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering essentials: a pink hex code, an icon mask, and an editor or XML editor. Open the app icon drawable and replace the base fill with your chosen pink. This sets the shadow tint. Once done, add a duplicate layer offset 26px down and right to act as the shadow. Make sure to keep the shadow layer separate so you can adjust blur and opacity independently. This prevents color bleeding and preserves crisp edges for later steps. Next, you blur and blend the duplicate layer to create a believable pink shadow. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur, then switch the blend mode to multiply or overlay to deepen contrast while retaining pink hue. Once done, dial opacity down so the shadow reads as soft light rather than solid pink. Start at 30% and adjust. Also, scale the offset proportionally to icon size. Smaller icons need smaller offsets, so the shadow remains natural across home screen and app drawer contexts. Finally, export your icon as a PNG or adaptive icon XML with distinct foreground and background. Install and test on multiple wallpapers to confirm the pink shadow reads correctly in both dark and light modes. If colors shift on device, embed an sRGB profile or convert the artwork to sRGB before exporting. This fixes gamut issues. Troubleshooting tip: if the pink looks washed out, increase shadow contrast slightly and reduce blur. This restores definition without losing the soft pink effect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.